Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the AirPods Max have some charge and are not actively connected to any device. This prevents interruptions during the reset. Once done, open Bluetooth on your iPhone or Mac and tap Forget this device to remove pairing records. Then put the headphones aside on a flat surface, and if they were in the smart case, take them out so they are awake and ready for the physical button sequence that follows. Now perform the only way to factory reset. Press and hold both the digital crown and the noise control button together for about 15 seconds. You will see the LED near the charging port change colors. It flashes amber during the process as settings clear, and then it should flash white, which signals the reset completed. Make sure you keep holding until that white flash appears, then release both buttons quickly so the headphones can reboot with. After the white LED, put the AirPods Max near your device and follow the on-screen pairing prompt in Bluetooth settings. This re-establishes a fresh connection. If pairing fails, make sure the headphones are fully charged and repeat the 15-second dual button hold. Sometimes the timing needs a second try. If problems persist, try resetting your phone's Bluetooth or network settings, and if that still fails, contact Apple support for diagnostics or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.